What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day, if you love the Pixel 4a, which is a $350, really good low to mid-range type of phone, you can get a new color of it right now. It's the Barely Blue, as you can see right here. And from that Barely Blue, it kind of looks like a little bit of robin's egg, if you want to call it that, kind of that baby powder blue look to it with, looks like an orange button. And you can order this right now, $350. And speaking of blue, what if you need a replacement Chromecast with Google TV remote? You can now buy one on Google's website. Again, both of those are going to be linked down below, and you can get it in any color. So if you lost your remote or you just want to get a different colored remote for your Chromecast with Google TV, you can get it in white, you can get it in pink or blue, available right now. Got some bad news for you Hulu Live TV subscribers. The price of admission is going up. It's going from $55 up to $65, which will match what YouTube TV costs. And then if you have Hulu TV with no ads, which is like basically their on-demand service, that goes up to $71. So some $10 price increases across the board for Hulu TV. Not good. Not good at all, especially when there's not a ton of competition out there. I mean, there is Sling TV and some other smaller ones as well. Sling TV is still not this expensive. I would say if you're looking for something cheaper than Hulu TV and YouTube TV, look at Sling TV. It's much cheaper. Next up, Galaxy Buds Beyond, which are going to be the successor to Galaxy Buds Live. Well, I have some news for you, because the Galaxy Buds Live and Galaxy Buds Beyond are going to have the same exact battery sizes for the in-ear buds, which are both still going to be 60 milliamps each, and the case itself, which will be 472 milliamps. So you're going to get probably very, very similar battery life with the Galaxy Buds Lives and their new successor, which probably will be out in January, the Galaxy Buds Beyond. And that's not a bad thing. You get pretty decent battery with the Galaxy Buds Lives. So I'm not so disappointed with that. And then I have another rumor about the Galaxy Buds Beyond, and this is throw some salt on it, might not come true. It's a rumor, and I don't even really know who this person is. I just know because I follow somebody else named Not DJ Co, who's had a pretty good track record with some leaks coming out, and he retweeted this person's tweet. And the tweet, as you can see, from Cozy Plains, it says Buds Beyond with SpaceFit Sound Plus technology improved ANC. So it sounds like this SpaceFit technology sound is going to improve the active noise cancellation to block out that outdoor noise that you potentially would hear, and make the sound that you're hearing a little bit more immersive. And that's definitely needed because the Buds Live didn't really offer that great of active noise cancellation. So if these do that, the Buds Beyond, then we're in for a real treat, especially when the price, you would assume, probably won't even go up. Or if it does, probably a very small amount. So to get that better active noise cancellation and better sound overall is a win across the board. And the last story of the day, which phones from Samsung that are flagships, more or less, are going to be released by them in 2021. This list was put together by Max Weinbach, who put out the following: S20, and this is obviously not in, I don't think it's in correct order, it's probably just in order of devices. So S21 Fan Edition, which would be the middle of the road, high-end road, kind of in that mid-high range for the S21 line of phones. S21, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra, which will be out in January actually. Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 should be out, well, Z Flip 3 will probably be out around June maybe. Z Fold 3 will probably come out in August. Z Fold Fan Edition, which would be again a mid-high range device, should be out probably and should be, in that price range where it's probably maybe $1,200, $1,500, somewhere in that, but you get a true foldable phone. Should come out probably, or I would assume, maybe around the Z Flip 3 range, maybe in June sometime. But that's what it's looking like so far. And he also mentioned that 3 of those devices will have S Pen support, and those 3 devices should be S21 Ultra, the Z Fold 3 and maybe the Z Fold FE, because I don't see a Note on there. That's the big one missing, is the Note not coming out this year. We've heard it will, we've heard it won't, we've heard it will. That's your question of the day. What do you think is going to happen with the Note 21? Are we going to get it, or is it completely gone? Is its time done? Let me know in the comments down below, because if you remember, S21 Ultra, not rumored to have an S Pen inside the box, but will have S Pen support. And then you can get a case from Samsung that you can put that S Pen in. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. See you down the road.